The TBS 3D kit is designed to conquer up to 90% of procedures and has become a smash hit amongst dentists across the world. Here is how you can open and close the kit. Start by locating the latch on the bottom of the kit. Rotate the latch 90 degrees so it is in the vertical position. Then unfold the cassette. The 3D kit has 2 retainer bars that hold the instruments in place. Each retainer bar is marked with a fingerprint icon on opposing sides. Locate the fingerprint icon and press down with one hand while separating the locking tab with your other hand. You can then simply remove the bar. When you are ready to close the kit, locate the fingerprint icon on the retainer bar and insert the blank side into the side of the kit that does not have a locking tab. Then simply press down on the fingerprint icon to secure the instruments. The 3D kit is designed to have all extraction instruments on the bottom half while the instruments for bone grafting and implants are housed in the top half. For more information, please visit tbsdental.com/education.